In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name for new comments and mark. If you've ever left a comment or markup in a PDF and noticed the wrong name showing up, this quick update in Adobe Acrobat will fix that going forward. We're adjusting the identity information Acrobat uses when you add comments and annotations, so your name appears exactly the way you want on anything you add next. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat. Once it's open, look to the top left corner for the menu icon that looks like three horizontal lines. Click that, then choose Preferences. Preferences is where Acrobat keeps most of its app-wide settings, including what it uses to label your comments. You can do this whether or not a PDF is open. The change applies to Acrobat itself, not just a single document. In the Preferences window, find the list of categories on the left and select Identity. This section controls how Acrobat identifies you when you add notes, highlights, stamps, and other markup tools. On the right, you'll see a name field. Click into that and type the exact name you want displayed on your future comments. This is the label other readers will see attached to your annotations. While you're here, you can also update a few optional fields. Initials are useful because some views in Acrobat show just your initials, especially in compact comment lists or small note bubbles. Organization can help in team settings, adding context about where you work or which group you represent. Email is entirely optional. Include it only if you want others to be able to contact you directly from your comments. If privacy is a priority, feel free to leave that blank. When you're satisfied, click OK to save your changes. From this point on, any new comments or markups you create will carry the updated name and details. This adjustment won't retroactively change the author on comments you made in the past, so don't worry if older notes still show the previous name. That's expected. If you don't immediately see the new name on a comment, add a quick new highlight or sticky note to confirm the change. Still not seeing it? Reopen Preferences and double-check the identity entry to make sure it's saved correctly. Also, ensure you're in the app's Preferences window and not viewing account or cloud settings. That's all there is.